The JIC-175 Ergonomic fiber optic stripper is used for stripping the 250 micron coating from the 125 micron optical fiber. And because of its unique comfort and design, it has quickly become an industry favorite, approved for use at many of the largest cable TV companies, telephone companies, plus numerous fiber optic manufacturing companies. This tool is made with the precision required of a fiber optic tool. It features ergonomic handles to aid the user and reduces the possibility of repetitive stress disorders. This is also a very durable tool. You will find the JIC-175 easier to use than the old style strippers, particularly for new or inexperienced technicians. And unlike some other tools, you will also note that the tool does not have to be held at a cumbersome angle to strip the fiber optic cable. To use the JIC-175, follow these simple steps. Place the 250 micron coated cable into the hole, squeeze and push the tool away from the fiber. The glass fiber is now exposed. After stripping, clean the fiber with denatured alcohol and then it is ready to be used.